So a couple of days ago, we got to see the design of Google Pixel 6a, which is the company's budget Pixel phone for next year. We saw that just as in case of the previous budget Pixels, the Pixel 6a has a design similar to the Pixel 6. So there is the same camera bar on the back with dual cameras in it and a flat screen on the front with a centered hole punch cutout. Also, we got to know that the Pixel 6a will not come with a headphone jack. Well, today we got to know some specifications of this phone, so we got to know what SoC the Pixel 6a is coming with and also the camera specifications. These details were shared by 9to5google.com and they found these details in the code of Google Camera app. So talking about the most interesting thing we got to know, the Pixel 6a, codenamed Blue Jay, is coming with the same Google Tensor chip as the Google Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. This also means that the Pixel 6a will have all the Tensor powered features which are currently there for the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. In terms of the cameras, there is not a huge difference when compared to the Pixel 6. The only major change is the primary shooter, so the Pixel 6a does not have the same 50 megapixel camera sensor as the Pixel 6. Instead, it is getting the 12.2 megapixel Sony IMX363 sensor for the primary shooter. And yes, this is the same camera sensor which was there on the Pixel 3 series, Pixel 4 series and also this year's Pixel 5a. And since the Pixel 5a had a main camera with OIS, we are pretty sure Google will not remove OIS from the main camera of Pixel 6a. Speaking of the second camera on the back of Pixel 6a, it is the same 12 megapixel Sony IMX386 sensor which is there on the high-end Pixel 6. And finally, just as for the Pixel 6, the 6a is getting an 8 megapixel sensor for selfie camera. So yeah, apart from the primary shooter, there does not seem to be any difference in the camera department when compared to the Pixel 6. And on top of that, there is the same chipset, so we can expect a pretty solid camera performance. Well, it seems like Google is now going to do what Apple does with its iPhone SE series, that is offering a high-end SoC and a great camera hardware for way lesser price than the high-end flagships. The price of Google Pixel 6a is not yet known, but that is kinda obvious because there are still months left for the launch and we are not expecting this phone at least until the third quarter of 2022. Anyways, and that's it for this video and I'll catch you in the next one.